Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about some really inexpensive makeup. I'm trying out for the first time and reviewing it all in one video, and I'm really excited to share everything with you. If you're like me and you always wander to the makeup aisle every time you're in Target, then you probably wondered what the brand Profusion is all about. And today I'm trying out two of their kits because I didn't want to go crazy and get everything, even though it's really inexpensive. I'm trying out two of their kits. This one is an eye and cheek palette, and then this one is the Mixed Metals lip kit, I guess, and in the shade Nude. So I'm really excited to try all this stuff out. Well, I actually already did try it out, so sneak peek of the look, but I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. If you have wondered what Profusion is all about, then you should keep on watching. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, so like I said in the intro, we are going to be trying out these two kits from Profusion, which I don't know if this is permanent at Target. I'm assuming so because they had like a full range of them. And I thought this was just kind of like a holiday thing. You know how they bring out those sets sometimes for the holidays? I thought that Profusion was kind of like that. And I saw a new setup of it at my Target. So I figured I might as well give it a shot because everything is so inexpensive. It's insane. So I'm really excited to dive into everything. I have not touched or played with anything, so I'm really excited. I won't stop watering. Yay. This was $4.99 for a lip liner, a matte lip cream, and a metal matte lip cream. $4.99. And this was $9.99. And you get a ton of stuff in here. You get 12 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 4 blushes, and highlights. Oh, I should probably put on bronzer because there is no bronzer in here. Well, let me do that real quick. I'm just putting on a little bit of Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Not a ton, just a tad. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever. It's been over a week, which is just insane for me. So, you guys, we are going to start with this eye and cheek palette. So it does not come with a mirror, which is a little sad, but it does come with a dual-ended brush, which honestly looks pretty nice, and I never say that about any of this stuff. So this has a protective sheet, and it actually is stuck on there, so no one can swatch in Target unless they go through the trouble of ripping this off, which I really appreciate. Here is the palette. It looks really pretty. You could do a cool toned eye with these and then a more warm toned eye, or more neutral. It's not even that warm. And then you have 4 blushes and 2 highlights. I think there's a great range of shades. It's it looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna dive in and swatch one of these shimmer shades. The one called Antique. Ooh, look at that. And mic drop. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. So much pigment. Okay. Now, Cookie. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, so that's what, oh my gosh, I'm getting excited. Okay, I'm going to swatch them on my hand quick. Guys, look at these swatches. Oh my God. This is going to be, I think this is going to be good. I'm so excited. Holy crap. I'm excited. Okay, now for the highlights. I'm going to do, oh my gosh, they both feel good. Okay, so these are the 2 highlights. I mean, they're still good. They're still reflective. Can't wait to see how they wear on the face because highlights are really hard to tell. Where these eyeshadows, I feel could be promising. Oh, I just realized I have self-tanner on right now, by the way. If my neck and my face look kind of weird. And I just wiped off those swatches with a makeup wipe. So my hand might have a big spot on it. I might do face first because I'm a little too excited about these highlights. Right now, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Pro brush set, brush for blush, and I'm going to go into Lush Blush and Breathtaking. So these two are the shades that I would stick to most of the time. These are kind of special occasion for me. I'm just not a big fan of those shades. Those ones do have shimmer and these ones are matte. The only thing I don't like is the size of the pan, so I just kind of mixed them together by just dunking my brush into the blush, and I am going to just apply to the cheeks. Ooh, pretty. Oh yeah, so pretty. That's, wow, I went a little overboard. Okay, it's pretty though. It's pigmented, which is nice. but you gotta be careful so you don't end up like me. Okay, guys, like seriously, if this goes well, I might just like travel with this palette because it is so versatile. There's so much stuff in here. So I'm gonna put Heartfelt, which is this highlight shade right here above the more pinky ones. And I'm just gonna, ooh, it's a little dusty. Ooh, I mean, that's reflective. It's a little like, not super chunky, but I mean, it's a little bit more chunky than some of the highlights that I use. It's really pretty and reflective. Okay, now we're gonna go into diamonds. This one is more like champagne-y and this one's more like gold. So we're gonna go into diamonds over here. Again, very pretty, very reflective, but it is, I don't know, just a little bit more chunky than some of the highlights that I use. You guys, seriously, for $10 or $9.99, this is already amazing. Like with the blushes and the highlights, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And it has names, like, what the hell? Okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to stick with more of these shades right here, but I might just like kind of mix and match and use some cool tone as well. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Honest right here. It does have quite a bit of kick up. Where is it? Right here. But I mean, it is really inexpensive. So you'll win some, you'll lose some. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing on my eyes. And ooh, that fallout though. You guys, look at it. There's a lot that comes off the brush. I mean, there's a lot of color payoff, but there's a lot of fallout. Okay, so far I'm liking this brush. What the hell? I don't know if I've ever liked a brush that came in a palette from the drugstore. This is a first. Just for these shadows, either you should probably do your foundation second, or just make sure you tap off a lot of the excess. Hello, beautiful. So I'm gonna use this cool tone brown called Comeback right here. I'm just gonna dip the tip of my brush in there and just start to blend. Okay, so it's blending okay. Not the best, but it's blending decent. It is blending pretty well. I mean, not the best blending I've ever seen in my life, but definitely not the worst. I really think the brush is good too. Like, I mean, a lot of the times it's the tools you're using for how well something blends out and everything, and I think this is doing a very, very nice job. There is a little bit of patchiness on this one, but nothing to be like super mad about. Okay, so I'm gonna use this shade right here called Cookie. I'm just going to dust this very lightly along the lower lash line. This antique shade, that like gold in the palette here, is really calling my name, so I think I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use it dry, and then I'm gonna try wetting it and seeing how it reacts. So I'm gonna use the brush on the other end. I'm a little nervous because it feels like there's not much product on the brush. Oh no, there's like no payoff with the brush. It just doesn't want to pick up. I'll try with my finger first. Okay, so you get a lot more color payoff with your finger. I'm gonna try spraying the brush really quick, seeing how that works. Definitely doesn't do the most. Like, I'm not loving picking up these shadows with this brush. I would just stick to using a finger, basically. So I just sprayed, wow, that works better. I sprayed my finger after I picked up product, and it got very, very foiled and looks bomb. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that Heartfelt highlight and put that in the inner corner of the eye. And I'm also going to put it on the brow bone. This look got pretty dramatic, didn't it? Ah! Looks so good. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna do the lips, and I'm gonna go into all of this. So it does come with a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and a metal matte lip cream. And I got the shade Nude because, hello, I just love nude lips. This is the lip liner. Ooh, it's retractable. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, retractable lip liners are my favorite. So I'm loving this color so far. Okay, so that is really nice. You can make a really nice line with it. It's not super creamy or anything to where it like goes outside the lines, which I kind of like. Now I'm gonna move into the matte lip cream, which looks like this. It looks like a gorgeous shade, if that's what it looks like. Oh yeah. The formula feels really nice and thin, which I like. So you could obviously leave it like this, which I probably would like 99% of the time. But for the sake of the video, once this dries, I'm going to put on the metallic top coat. Right now it's kind of sticky, so we'll wait and see if it dries all the way down. Okay, so the one thing I'm not liking is that my lips are like sticky right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's not too bad right now. It is transfer proof, which is really nice. Other than the little bit of stickiness, it feels really nice on the lips. I kind of would rather have that than them look really creepy and stuff. They do feel pretty hydrated, which I like. So, I don't know. Keep that in mind. If you don't like sticky ones, then meh, don't get it. But it's only $4.99, so. Yeah, I'm going to keep this in the center because I'm not a huge metallic fan. I do like the effect it gives, like bigger lips and stuff, but not my favorite like trend that is happening. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of metallic lips, but if you like metallic lips, I think it's really pretty. I personally would just buy this set just for the lip liner and the liquid lipstick alone because it's so cheap. It's more affordable than basically every single liquid lipstick alone, let alone a lip liner and a lipstick. And if you really want to do metallic lips for an occasion such as Coachella or something like that, then you have it with you and you're all good. I'm gonna put on top more of this liquid lip because I don't like the metallic. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I ended up really liking everything from these two like sets. I think everything is great. Everything blends really nicely. It's nice and pigmented. It's not choppy. It just has great payoff. The only thing is for these shimmer eyeshadows, I would either just apply with your finger or pick some up with your finger, spray it with a setting spray, and then apply to the lid. That's going to get you that nice and foiled look. Otherwise, I think everything looks great. The brush in the set is amazing. This would be amazing for travel. I think the highlight is gorgeous. And then for the lip set, you guys know I'm not a huge fan of metallic lips, but if you like metallic lips, I think this one is great, especially because it comes with the other two shades. I think the nude shade is gorgeous, and I'm definitely going to be using the lip liner and the liquid lip again because they are stunning. This makes me want to try out so much other Profusion stuff. If you guys have tried anything out from them, let me know down below in the comments what I should try next because I'm really, really intrigued. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye!